Marcelina ken kadang iti pilak na
Yes.
katsunin.
This mine, it's not the first heartbroken. My eyes are not the first to cry. I'm not the first to know there's just no getting over you. No, I'm just a fool who's willing to sit around and wait for you. But baby, can't you see there's nothing else for me to do?
Maturog ka yun.
I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide since she pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. My head is saying, forget him. My heart is saying, don't let go. Hold on till the end, and that's what I intend to do. I'm hopelessly devoted